Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dequincy, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance shift is always difficult to accomplish, time-consuming, and requires efforts and permits to cross state or country lines and complete the shift. But handling everything on your own and without any prior experience is even more difficult. Therefore, it's vital to hire a professional mover, and it will save you your efforts or time and allow you to explore the location you have recently shifted. Be it moving delicate, edgy, or heavyweight items like a piano, our movers use specialized tools to handle your belongings and make sure to keep them safe during the transit. Additionally, we provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us, and this helps recover any materialistic or monetary damage during the transit. When moving locally, we usually prefer not to hire a mover or take the help of our loved ones to complete the shift. And as we are not trained or do any proper experience, shifting might harm your products or even harm you physically. So to avoid any monetary damage, it's better to hire professional movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dequincy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.